Scott Bauer, perplexing or encouraging that 1 minute we're down 150 and today we are up once again?
You know, it's really a mix, Liz, and I think what it is there's always going to be some sort of risk headline to the market, whether it's, an outbreak like this, whether it's a geopolitical risk, whether it's the impeachment, whatever it is. And you know what? The markets are resilient. This is as much of a psychological type of trade than anything else, because the markets typically have a very knee-jerk reaction, and then they will go back and they will trade on fundamentals. They will trade on technicals.
Yeah.
However, you get something like this, though, and it can befuddle both traders and investors. There's no question about it.
Teddy, we know that when the SARS virus hit in 2003, spreading from China, killing hundreds of people, we know that that actually cost billions of dollars. There was actually a number put on it, 54 billion by the World Bank. This can affect psychology. There's a huge human toll, obviously, and not to mention that people do change their behaviors, but today it doesn't appear that people are that concerned.
Well, no, I think people are concerned. Listen, this clearly is a valid concern, Liz, but I think when you look at it in terms of the stock market, we're with the stock market now that clearly by most measures is probably way overbought technically, so due for some kind of reaction. You have a lot of folks that are kind of sitting around with their finger on the trigger, just looking for an excuse to take some money off the table. So it doesn't take very much in terms of a negative message, no matter what that message is, to get people to start to make some sales and in fact take some money off the table. So you get this immediate knee-jerk reaction. But I think you have to look beyond that to the overall fundamentals, and until something dramatic changes.
Earnings looks good. I mean, earnings look good, and we're near record highs. But I think you're right. And Scott, do you agree with Teddy that it's almost like whether it's the algos, the algorithms, high-frequency traders, or just the retail investor who might be watching right now with that finger like, I should take profits right now if they see something that hits the tape that's worrisome?
Yeah, there's no doubt about it, especially when you see volatility at levels as low as it is right now in a marketplace, like Teddy just said, which is probably very, very overbought.
Okay, good to see you guys. Always the voices of reason. Scott and Teddy, thank you very much. While markets seem